Y'all do. I don't know what y'all do.
That you nasty.
Hey guys, it's Hey Jessie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a part 2 to my high school advice / freshman advice video. So, you know, I got some more advice for y'all. I'm sorry, my face was like kind of red over here. Please ignore it. Okay, but I have more advice for you guys to, you know, survive high school and all that. So advice number 1, do not be fake. Like, being fake to your friends, especially friends that are loyal to you, do not be fake to your friends, because it's just like, what are you doing? It just shows how much of a horrible person you are. Like, be loyal. Always be loyal to people who are loyal to you, and if they're not being loyal to you and you want to, you know, be fake to, you know, get back at them, just cut them off. Don't try and, you know, do all that. Okay. Number 2, people are gonna talk about you to the day you die. Like, you may be hearing people saying, oh, she's too skinny, she's ugly, da 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 da. Get used to it, because for the rest of your life, people are gonna talk about you, talking. What can you do? Nothing. For real. Just know who you are and how you feel about yourself, and, you know your worth. No, don't let those things make you think, maybe I am too skinny, maybe I am ugly. No, you're beautiful. What you think is the only thing that matters. Like, number 3, not everyone's gonna be loyal to you. Always remember that not everyone's gonna be loyal to you, because people are fake. People are fake, period. That's it. That's a tweet. Period. People are fake. Not everyone's gonna be riding for you. Like, just be careful. Not everyone's gonna be on the same team as you. They may fake like they are, but not everybody really is. So be careful and watch your circle and watch who you're around. Number 4, be organized. Because when you're in class and you need to turn your homework, it's just like, where it at? Like, be organized. Try and keep your stuff in like a folder for that class. Try and keep your notes organized so you know where it is, so you're not like, you know, scrambling through everything. It's just like a big mess. You don't want that at all. So be organized. Number 5, don't try and grow up too fast. Like, live your high school years. Like, they're gonna go by so fast. Like, just enjoy it. I know it's not gonna be like the best phase of your life, but just try and, you know, live in the moment. Don't try and, like, you know, grow up too fast. I want to be a senior. Yeah, of course you do, but try and enjoy, you know, what's going on right now, because it's gonna go by like that. Okay. Number 6, do not be a hoe. Okay, don't be effing him, effing her, effing everybody. Okay, it's not cute. And plus, in high school, you don't know what anybody got. There could be, you know, some flying around, you know, STDs. Be careful. Don't be just, you know, jumping in bed with anybody or kissing anybody or doing anything with anybody. Like, you can do things, obviously, like, it's high school. You'll be doing, you know, whatever y'all do. I don't know what y'all do.
That you nasty. You nasty. You little nasty. Little nasty.
But don't do it with everybody, because you never know what somebody has. Be careful. Number 7, learn to be independent, because you're not gonna always have friends and like, sorry, you're not gonna always have friends by your side or somebody always by your side. Try and, you know, learn to be comfortable being by yourself, because you never know what can happen, especially in real life. You want to learn to be like independent and by yourself, because like I said, you won't always have somebody there. You might need to go places on your own. Like, don't rely on people, and you never know what could happen. That person that could be by your side could be gone the next day. You never know. So try and depend on yourself and rely on yourself, not nobody else, especially for your happiness or anything. Just rely on yourself. Be independent. Number 8, do not be do not be an attention seeker. That is so annoying. Don't keep trying to be all loud and doing all this stuff just to get attention. Nobody likes that. Like, just, if attention comes to you, it just happens. Don't try and make it come to you. Like, that's so annoying. Like, don't try and do too much just to be known, and like, it's not cute. It makes people not want to know you, and it may make you known, but not in a good way.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Number 9. If you get your heart broken in high school, which it might happen, you never know. Don't let it change you or make you like a cold-hearted person. But learn from that experience and know that not everybody's gonna be riding for you or not everybody's gonna be loyal to you, obviously. But still, hold on. But know your worth, because instead of letting it change you, learn from the situation and know your worth and know, you know, who to mess with, who not to mess with, and what you really want in your life. Also, don't let it bring you down and make you think, oh, it's my fault, I'm the problem, this, that, and the third. Like, no. Just know maybe it just didn't work out because, you know, something just happened. Like, you will find somebody who loves you for you, but don't be looking for that in high school because y'all still young. But if it happens, just know it happened. Oh well, you know, you'll be fine, period. Number 10. If you only have upperclassmen friends, like sophomores, juniors, seniors, whatever, try and have a couple friends in your grade, because once those friends graduate, you're gonna be lonely, like lonely. But don't only be friends with those kids in your grade because you don't want to be lonely. Be friends with them because you actually want to be friends with them. Don't just, you know, try and use them for, you know, whatever. But try and have some friends in your grade along with friends in higher classes or higher grades, you know, whatever. Because once those friends are gone, they're gone, okay? And you'll be sitting around like, what? Number 11. Do not be stinking. Like,
be ugly, but you should enjoy the movie anyway. Excuse me, sir. I hope my horrible ugliness won't be a distraction to you.
Not at all, boy!
Do not be stinking. Wear deodorant, shower, you know, have gum, all that. Like, don't be, please don't do that, because it's gonna make you look really bad. I know, I don't know what, I don't know, okay? Just don't, okay? Just try to avoid that, okay? Okay. Number 12. This is not High School Musical at all. Period. At all, okay? It's not always gonna be a happy day, you know, running around, music everywhere. Like, it's not gonna always be like an amazing day every single day. Some days are gonna be hard. You have tests, your friends, there's drama, everything. Just know high school is not a fairy tale. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard times. Just know you have to stay strong and get through it. Number 13. Do not miss assignments, because once you miss that one assignment, your grade's going down, okay? You don't want your grade to go down. Try and do every assignment, you know, get in on time, whatever. Don't be missing assignments, because once your grade goes down, it's hard to bring it back up, so be careful. Number 14, try not to procrastinate. I know it's really hard, and like, I still do it myself, but I try not to. Like, try and do work at least the day after or the day that you get it. Like, don't wait a month to like do that project that you got 3 months ago. Like, listen, it's gonna turn a hot mess, and your teachers will know. They know when stuff is like last minute. Trust me. I don't know how, but they know, okay? Number 15. Every quarter, your grade in a class resets. So when the quarter starts, try and do all your work. Turn and start off good, because if you start off bad that quarter, then that's where you start from. You start from 0, and it's hard to get back up. But if you start at 100, it's easier to stay at 100. So try and, you know, do all your work once the quarter starts, and try to, like, you know, turn all your assignments or whatever, you know, do good, all that. That's all for this video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe down like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let them know, you know, what's going on in high school. Get them hip to all the tips or whatever, you know, and get to my channel too. Subscribe. But that's it, guys. Bye.